Think you can see and do everything Disneyland Paris has to offer in one day?
Think again. There are 2 incredible Disney parks here.
Plus an exciting entertainment and shopping district called Disney Village.
That's more than 50 attractions and shows to enjoy.
And more than 50 dining locations to explore throughout the Disney parks, Disney Village and Disney hotels in the resort. Make sure you get the 2-park ticket so you can experience both amazing Disney parks.
The magical Disneyland Park and the thrilling Walt Disney Studios Park.
Here at Disneyland Park, you'll find huge thrill attractions.
An eye-catching parade.
Oh my God, it's a dragon.
And fun for the whole family.
While a short walk away at the Walt Disney Studios Park, you'll be transported into the scenes from famous movies as you wander around the Toy Story Playland.
Take on some huge attractions and check out some action-packed shows.
But not all the fun takes place inside the Disney parks.
Should we go in?
Yeah, go on then.
Don't miss the Disney Village for more enticing dining and shopping options.
Make sure when you book your Disneyland Paris tickets that you give yourself enough time to really make the most of what the Disney parks have to offer.
We're coming back tomorrow. Book now with Attraction Tickets Direct.